stories are amazing. That one maybe particularly so. That is truly great. Our birthday list begins with Kenzie Keeling, who is celebrating her 12th birthday. Kenzie, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous snowy birthday. She is in Parsons.
All right, Trey Smith turning 18 years old this year. Trey is in Girard.
Throw up the double T's. We got a pair of them right now. We're going to start with Trenton Kidwell. He is turning 18, and he's got to share that birthday with twin brother Trevor. That's why we call it the double T's right there. Happy birthday to Trenton and Trevor in Chanute.
All right, and we got Josh Thompson turning 21 years old this year. Happy birthday to Josh.
Whoa! That's called a feast right there. Not bad. Our good friend Isaac Leverins, he is celebrating his 22nd birthday. Isaac, that's a sharp-looking suit, my man. Happy birthday in Pittsburgh.
All right, Melinda Buchanan celebrating birthday number 39 this year. That's a great family picture there for Melinda in Jasper.
Every now and then, if we consider you part of the extended family, you get a who that is. What up, Robin? Happy birthday to our good friend, Miss Robin Harrell, as she celebrates her 42nd birthday. Robin, running that Harrell family in Pittsburgh.
All right, beautiful.
No offense,
family
Tyler.
there. Happy birthday, Robin. This is your day. And we've got Joe Cleason celebrating birthday number 71 this year. Joe is in Erie, Kansas.
Now, her birthday was yesterday, but we'd be remiss if we did not pass it on and make sure we gave happy birthday wishes to Scarlett Bowles. What a beautiful picture. Miss Scarlett, happy birthday in Columbus.
Also in Columbus, that's where the party's at today, the Freemans are celebrating their 27th anniversary. Congrats going out to Steve and Lori Freeman.
Hey, happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this January the 6th. Maybe we played a day of catch-up, and maybe it was January 5th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.